to Hossegor. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite I'm so nervous. My favorite place on earth near where I live. And oh my goodness, I just love it. I mean, there is not a lot of the Christmas spirit here, but I don't know, I'm in the beach area. This place is just amazing. It's magical, and I don't know why I love it so much, to be honest. I have no idea. Like, it has nothing special, but still everything is special, you know? So yeah. Oh my god, I love this place. Let's go have lunch in my favorite place here to have lunch, and it's basically a hamburger. I don't know, it tastes different here, so probably that's why I love it so much. But I love coming here when it's my birthday. You know, I came here to celebrate my birthday because on my birthday I couldn't come, I couldn't do anything because I was working. So today, 23 December, we are in Hossegor. Oh my god, this is just so beautiful. I love being here. I love it so much. I know I get excited with everything, but I don't know, I'm just like that. We are already in the van. Lucky! And as you can see, the light is starting to go away. We are going to another town nearby Hossegor that we also love, which is we still don't know where to go, to be honest. So when I arrive, I'm gonna tell you. But the plan is to go to Saint-Jean-de-Luz. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. Oh my goodness, like, oh my god, I can't believe that we are in Hossegor with a van. Like, another goal completed in life. I can't believe this. Okay, so as always, change of plans. We came to Biarritz, or Biarritz, Biarritz, and oh my goodness, I think it was the best decision because this town is so into Christmas mood. So yeah, I'm gonna try to show you as many as I can, and I hope that you enjoy it. Oh my goodness, let's go, my baby. I don't know where he is, if you can see him or not. Oh, it's here. Let's go, my love.
I'm not wasting any dreams this Christmas. I've made my wish upon that star. The only dream of which my list consists is to always be wherever you are. This year there will be no...
Hey loves, it's next day. I'm sorry, I was not able to end this vlog correctly. I was actually here editing this vlog, and I realized that I as many times I forgot to say goodbye, and you know, I just don't like ending a video without saying goodbye. But yeah, goodbye. It was a shame that we went to Biarritz, to the second place, when it was already dark, but it also had its enchanting thing, you know, because all the Christmas lights were on, even though, you know, it would have been better if you could see also the town or the city in the daylight. But yeah, I just fell in love with the Biarritz again. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. As I told you at the beginning, this was a small road trip because of my birthday, because I could not celebrate it properly. So also it was a birthday gift in the sense of, you know, I went to Hossegor, one of my favorite places, with the van. So that was another tick on the to-do list. Oh my goodness, yeah. Anyway, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I love you, and well, see you next year. Well, in the next video, and then in the next year. I love you.